Toyota is gearing up to make a significant splash at the upcoming SEMA Show with the introduction of two highly anticipated models, a brand new Land Cruiser pickup and a two-door version of the 2025 4Runner. This announcement comes as the automotive world shifts towards customization and adventure-oriented vehicles, aligning perfectly with the SEMA Show's focus on innovation and performance. The Land Cruiser pickup has been a long-requested addition to Toyota's lineup, and it promises to combine the ruggedness and heritage of the Land Cruiser brand with the practicality of a pickup truck. This new model aims to cater to off-road enthusiasts and utility-minded consumers who appreciate the capabilities of Toyota's legendary Land Cruiser but prefer the functionality of a truck bed. The pickup is expected to feature the same robust chassis and advanced four-wheel drive systems that have made the Land Cruiser a favorite among adventure seekers. Toyota's commitment to performance is evident in the design of the Land Cruiser pickup, which is likely to showcase powerful engine options and superior off-road capabilities. While specific details are still under wraps, speculation points to a range of powertrains that could include a turbocharged engine for enhanced performance and fuel efficiency. The Land Cruiser's reputation for durability and reliability will undoubtedly carry over to this new variant, ensuring that it meets the demands of both urban and rugged terrains. In addition to the Land Cruiser pickup, Toyota is also unveiling a two-door version of the 2025 4Runner. The 4Runner has long been celebrated for its off-road prowess, and this new two-door iteration is set to appeal to a demographic that values a more compact and maneuverable SUV. The design aims to offer a sportier look while maintaining the functional elements that 4Runner enthusiasts have come to love. The two-door 4Runner is expected to emphasize agility and versatility, making it an excellent option for those who enjoy off-roading adventures. With a lighter frame and a shorter wheelbase, the two-door variant could provide improved handling and a more engaging driving experience on challenging terrains. Additionally, this model may include features tailored for customization, allowing owners to enhance their vehicles for specific activities, whether that be rock crawling, camping, or simply enjoying weekend getaways. Toyota's decision to showcase these models at SEMA aligns with the event's emphasis on aftermarket customization and performance upgrades. The automaker has a history of engaging with the aftermarket community, and these new offerings are expected to generate significant interest among attendees. The opportunity to see these vehicles up close allows fans and potential buyers to appreciate the engineering and design that goes into Toyota's vehicles, especially in terms of off-road capabilities. Both the Land Cruiser pickup and the two-door 4Runner reflect Toyota's commitment to innovation while respecting the brand's heritage. The automaker understands the evolving preferences of consumers who seek vehicles that can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures while offering comfort and practicality for everyday use. By expanding the Land Cruiser and 4Runner lineups, Toyota is positioning itself to capture a larger share of the growing market for adventure-ready vehicles. Moreover, Toyota is expected to showcase a variety of accessories and performance enhancements at SEMA, further highlighting the potential for customization in both the Land Cruiser pickup and the two-door 4Runner. From upgraded suspension systems to specialized tires and off-road lighting, the options available will cater to enthusiasts looking to personalize their rides for enhanced performance and style. As the automotive industry increasingly embraces off-road and adventure vehicles, Toyota's new models promise to meet the demands of a diverse audience. By combining heritage with modern performance, the Land Cruiser pickup and the two-door 4Runner aim to carve out a unique niche in a competitive market. In conclusion, Toyota's unveiling of the new Land Cruiser pickup and the two-door 2025 4Runner at SEMA 2024 is set to draw attention from both industry insiders and enthusiasts alike. With a focus on performance, customization, and off-road capability, these models embody Toyota's commitment to innovation and adventure, ensuring that they resonate with consumers who seek vehicles that can thrive in any environment. The excitement surrounding these vehicles underscores the continued evolution of Toyota's lineup, reaffirming its position as a leader in the automotive world.